Alright, in this one, I'm going to be respraying this area right here. This was sprayed with an aerosol can, so I'm going to be respraying this. This is a 2003, I believe, Chevy Silverado. So I'll be doing this part, and I'll be doing this dent right here. So there's another dent over here, this front fender, that I'll be fixing also. So let's get started. Alright guys, I'll be starting to sand with 220 and progress from there. So here we go. Alright guys, what I'm going to do right here, I'm going to start preparing the metal for the spot welder. So I'm taking an angle grinder with 60 grit and start scratching it. Alright guys, after pulling the dent and grinding off all the little tabs, it's 100% better. All I need to do is just scuff it up so that I can add a little skim coat of body filler, and that'll be it. That'll be it for this section. So let me start doing that. Guys, I'm going to be using a grinder. I want to create a good foundation for the body filler, so I'm going to create some real rough teeth on the panels so that the body filler will stick very good to it. That's it guys, I got a good foundation for the body filler, so let's get to it. Alright, the first skim coat of body filler has been added. Let me start sanding it so that I can continue and straighten it out. So let me sand it down with 80 grit and keep on going. Alright, the body work has been done. Now I'm going to be using the 2-in-1 primer, gray primer. Put a couple of coats on it so I can block sand and have it ready for base. Right here, guys, if you can see, I folded the tape. That way I don't have a real sharp edge with the primer, and I'm able to sand it down smooth. So let's get to it. Alright guys, it's been primered. All the body work has been done. Everything's ready. As you can see with the tape folded, I don't have a real sharp primer edge. So all I need is to sand it down and get it ready for paint. Alright guys, I'm starting off on the fender. I got the dent out as much as possible. I did it again with the spot welder, and I pulled the dent here and down here. There was a little door ding right there also, and this one right here. So what I'm gonna do now is gonna start grinding everything so that the body filler will be able to stick to it and smooth it out and have it ready. So let me start adding the body filler and let me go from there. Alright, after adding the body filler and smoothing it out and everything, I added the primer and it's ready for sanding. So let me get to it. Alright guys, right here everything's prepped up already. Everything's covered. I'm ready to shoot. So let me get the paint ready and I'll start spraying. Clear coat 32 psi. guys, this is a third and final coat of clear, and we'll be done. So let me shoot it and finish it. Alright guys, here's the final result. This is a front fender that was resprayed and bodywork's been done to it. Let me take you back to the other parts. This is the back area. It's all dirty right now, but this is it. And the other side. Alright guys, it's all dirty. I was gonna pressure wash the truck, but this is it guys. This is another video. Thank you guys. Another video is coming up. Don't forget guys, like the video, share the video, hit the link below to help me out, and see you in the next one.